Your job's okay. You've got food, a roof, friends even. But still, there's this strange emptiness you can't explain. Like life is happening, but not to you. And you think, maybe I'm ungrateful, maybe I'm broken. But you're not. Because this kind of numbness, it doesn't come from lack. It comes from living without meaning. You wake up, you scroll, you work, you laugh at texts that don't make you feel anything. You smile on autopilot. You're not sad, but you're definitely not alive either. Just existing, waiting for something to wake you up again. The problem is, you've confused comfort with fulfillment. You're surrounded by ease, but starving for intention. You've traded meaning for maintenance, dopamine for depth. And the result? A life that looks good, but feels hollow. Here's the truth. Your mind needs more than routine. It craves purpose, challenge, moments that demand your full presence. Not passive distraction, but active connection to something real.
Something that matters.
Start small.
Do one thing today that isn't about comfort.
It's about clarity.
Write something. Say something real. Do something hard. Anything that reminds you you're still here and you still have something to give. And maybe the reason you feel empty is because you've spent too long hiding behind a smile. You've learned to look okay instead of actually being okay. But if you're tired of pretending and ready to understand what that fake smile has been hiding all along, watch my last video, The Truth Behind Your Smile. It's not just about smiling. It's about finally being seen,